Quality means doing it right when no one is looking. Failure is simply the opportunity to begin again, this time more intelligently. Coming together is a beginning, keeping together is progress, working together is success. Wealth, like happiness, is never attained when sought after directly. It comes as a byproduct of providing a useful service. You can't build a reputation on what you are going to do. If you think you can do a thing or think you can't do a thing, you're right. Thinking is the hardest work there is, which is probably the reason so few engage in it. The only real mistake is the one from which we learn nothing. If I had asked people what they wanted, they would have said faster horses. When everything seems to be going against you, remember that the airplane takes off against the wind, not with it. If you always do what you've always done, you'll always get what you've always got. The depression was just a state of mind. It is over for everyone who has changed his state of mind. Greatest thing we can produce is character. Everything else can be taken from us, but not our character. Any man can learn anything he will, but no man can teach except to those who want to learn. The whole secret of a successful life is to find out what is one's destiny to do, and then do it. It has been my observation that most people get ahead during the time that others waste. To do more for the world than the world does for you, that is success. The highest use of capital is not to make more money, but to make money do more for the betterment of life. A business that makes nothing but money is a poor business. Two classes of people lose money: those who are too weak to guard what they have, those who win money by trick. They both lose in the end. Vision without execution is just hallucination. Nothing is particularly hard if you divide it into small jobs. Most people spend more time and energy going around problems than in trying to solve them. Chop your own wood and it will warm you twice. Most people think that faith means believing something. Oftener it means trying something, giving it a chance to prove itself. There is no man living who isn't capable of doing more than he thinks he can do. Don't find fault, find a remedy. Anybody can complain. You don't have to hold a position in order to be a leader. The only thing you can give a man without hurting him is an opportunity. Greatest thing in life is experience. Even mistakes have value. You can't learn in school what the world is going to do next year. I cannot discover that anyone knows enough to say what is and what is definitely not possible. As we advance in life, we learn the limits of our abilities. Enthusiasm is the use that makes your hopes shine to the stars. There is joy in work. There is no happiness except in the realization that we have accomplished something. America is not a land of money but of wealth, not a land of rich people, but of successful workers.